This is English version of Happy Spin and Roll. Let's take a look at the overall design of the machine. This is the LED dot matrix display. It can display ads or play promotional videos. There is a surveillance camera. It can be used to monitor customer traffic. There are illuminated English letters. And on top, there's a giant rotating dice. Let's take a look. This is how the game works. Rolling 5 sevens wins the super grand prize. Its winning probability is 0.013%. Once you win, the prize door will automatically open. The player can directly take the prize. If you get 5 of the same number, that means the A2 prize is awarded. Winning probability is 0.06%. 5 same numbers. If you get 4 of sevens, that means grand prize is awarded. There are 6 of them. You can choose what you like. If you get 3 of sevens, prize 16 to 25 will be awarded. You can choose a prize from 16 to 25. Select 18 and confirm. Its winning probability is 3.1%. This is a push rod type blind box system. The gift will automatically fall down. If you get 2 of sevens, its winning probability is 16.07%. The prize will be a card type prize on the top. You can place snacks or various gifts inside as rewards. You will get the prize 1 to 13. If you get 4 same numbers, its winning probability is 1.28%. If you get 3 same numbers, you get a free play. Its winning probability is 10.29%. If you get consecutive numbers, you get 3 free play. Its winning probability is 3.08%. Let's play the game. See how the game works. Here reads 1 coin per play. It will start automatically. The dice will spin. There is a monitor behind. There is a camera on the top. The camera is for recording. Here we have a monitor. Wait for a few seconds. The dice will stop. You will get the result. To sevens, which means you will get a card prize. Three same numbers get a free play. It will start automatically, without inserting coins.